It is used to record the return of credit sales. So what is the Sales Returns Journal? I'm Thomas Harwood and welcome to the Accounting Student, where we create free and short videos so that you can learn about accounting. Today's video is looking at what is the Sales Returns Journal. The majority of businesses who sell goods or services on credit will usually have a small proportion of them returned by the customer. The goods or services may be returned to the business if they have defects or if they do not meet the specifications of the buyer. The returns of goods or services are known as sales returns or returns inwards. When the customer returns the goods or services to the business, a credit note is sent to the customer. A credit note is a document which provides the amount of an allowance given to the customer by a business, and it can look like this. The credit note totals are entered in a book of original entry. In this example, a credit note would be entered in the Sales Returns Journal. The Sales Returns Journal can also be referred to as the Returns Inwards Daybook, and it will usually look something like this. Starting from the first column, the date of the transaction, i.e. returns of sales, is entered here. Then in the next column is the name of the customer who made the return of the sales. The third column will have the credit note number, and the fourth column will be the folio, which provides a quick reference of where the other account can be found in the accounting system. For example, the general ledger will be GL, the sales ledger will be SL, and the purchase ledger will be PL. The final column is the amount of the transaction. Let's add information of weekly sales returns. So each return of sales in the Sales Returns Journal will be posted separately in each individual customer or debtor account on the credit side, which are held in the sales ledger. And to complete the double entry, the total of the Sales Returns Journal, which is £160, will be entered on the debit side of the sales returns account in the general ledger. So that was the explanation of the Sales Returns Journal. If you enjoyed it, press the like button. If you have a question you want answered, leave it in the comments below and we'll try our best to answer it. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the red subscribe button to keep updated with the Accounting Student. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.